Perfect day to paint a truck. Hello YouTubes. Today in Canada we have freezing rain. If you're not familiar with that, this occurs when the ground temperature is 0 or below and then it rains. And what happens is the rain comes down and it instantly freezes onto, well, pretty much everything it touches. Can be quite tricky if you're trying to get into your car and it's sealed over there. Obviously I've managed to break this one open, but it can be quite dangerous on trees because all that water collecting, turning to ice on branches, it can snap trees, bring down power lines. Oh, so much fun. So I brought the truck into the garage, let the ice melt, and hopefully the water will all dry up because I'm supposed to be painting today. We'll see. So I'll get back to you in a wee while when we're all ready to go. Well, it's been another week since that last clip, so I need to stop wasting time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attack all the bodywork, the sanding down, get it ready for paint. I'll do it all in fast forward and I'll see you shortly, okay? Right folks, that is as much effort as I can be bothered putting into this prep work. 3 layers of body filler, smoothed down best I can. So I'm going to take off all the old masking tape, remask it, cover the inside so I don't get paint on the inside, because that will be really hard to get off of upholstery. Mask the outside, and then we'll finally be ready to put some paint in this thing. So give me a minute, I'll get that prepped and then we can get the spray cans out. It is dark, it is wet, it is cold. Perfect conditions for painting a truck, right? I don't care anymore, I've got to get this done. I'm going to start with this one step. Does that mean one coat? Self-etch primer. I'll do both sides, let it dry. If it's dry enough tonight, I'll get the paint on, otherwise I'll need to... Actually, I don't know what I'm going to do, because the garage door won't shut, the truck won't fit inside, and if I leave it outside it'll get wet. Yeah, definitely more than one coat will be required. Not sure what the one step means. Etcher, primer. So is it like a filler and a primer in one? Is that the one step? Whatever, wait for that to dry, another coat of that, then we'll go on to the silver paint. Three coats of metallic silver now applied. Final coat will be gloss clear. Probably not the ideal paint to use in a car, but I really love this clear and I've used it on Bugsy and it works really well. So that's the final countdown, the final supper, final stage. We're nearly there. we're done. Now, I'm going to wait about an hour and then take off the masking tape. I know that if you leave the masking tape on till the paint is completely dry, then there's a risk of actually peeling the new paint off. So wait about an hour, peel that off, and then I'll wait another hour. I don't know, it's getting pretty late because I need to take the truck outside. And you'll get to see it tomorrow morning. See you in a minute. Good morning. Are you excited? I've not even looked at this yet. The paint might have just all fallen off. Let's go. Paint's still there. It's hard to tell if the colour's right because remember this is old paint and brand new paint. But how far do we go? You know, how far do we go? And once the side steps are on, probably won't even notice corner wise. Doesn't look too bad. Let's look at the other side. I think I'm happy. I suppose we better look at the inside, see how it's matching up. Now I had to raise the line a little bit because I had scuffed the red paint off where it joined, but I think that looks okay. I'm happy enough with that join. That looks alright. Yep. Now, I know it's not perfect, or good for that matter, but it's better than big gaping rusty holes, wouldn't you agree? Body shop would have charged a fair bit more than what I spent. Total was about 200 with both the rocker panels and paint. Still got the side steps to go on and a full detail, and then it'll be ready to sell. I'm not going to be giving this truck away, so I won't be taking the first offer unless it's the full offer that I want, but I've taken this long to do it. In fact, I've taken so long it's now the next year. It's actually the 1st of January 2023, so Happy New Year. I hope you're not all too hungover. I'm not hungover at all because I'm the only Scotsman that doesn't drink. That's why they threw me out. So that's the ram for now. The next one on this ram, hopefully will be the last one, will be getting the side steps back on. I do have a bit of modification to do with one of the brackets. Get them on full detail and then it'll look all pretty. Thanks for watching. I know this has been a struggle. It's taken me like 2 months. It should have taken me 3 days. Take care. See you very soon. Bye for now.